Hi everyone, how are you? I'm fine, thanks to God. Now today I show you how to create two classes in different packages and call each other or import each other or use methods of each class for another class. Just follow me how to create it. Right click and create the first package here and rename it as package 1, pack 1. Pack let pack 1 and the second package again create here and rename it as pack 2 pack 2. I want to create one class here let public sorry, the class name it may be class 1 or just like this, class 1, and another package write another class, Java class here, and class 2. So the purpose of this video is to I want to show you this class and this class is found in different packages. So I want to import the first class's everything or method to another class. Let for the first package, the first file or Java class, do some methods here. Let public static double, or let's say int it is enough, square of a number, pass one variable int as z, and return z times z, return z times z, or we can declare another variable int let is square and return here is square is equals to z times z, and here return what is square. Simply just I want to call this method on another package, another class, just like here package to this class 2. So just uh, copy the name of the class and I want to call here this one. There is a problem. What is the error? Multiple markers at this line. This method requires a body instead of semicolon. Returns type for the method is missing, whatever. That is a problem. It needs one parameter. Let 5 int sq is equals to this, but the method square method is undefined for this types of two class. In this class square of number is not defined. So to fix this problem, create a method square of method, but I want to import this method class. So here create the class of the first package, class 1 class 1 is equals to new class 1 here, but still this class is not imported, so you should import here just like other built-in classes. Import pack underscore 1 underscore dot. No, there is a problem of naming here, so double click and copy this as it is. Copy, it is better. uh, paste dot. There is a problem again. Not package import. Import the package of that class 1 park 1. That means the first package class semicolon. So what am I doing? Sorry. I'm trying to import here. Sorry. Dot. Yeah. Already fixed it. But the method of square int is undefined type of two classes. Create method square of. So to call this method, we use what? Co dot, or you can remove and see what will happen or dot. The appropriate methods or variables or resources that is displaying on the pop-up of this is this one. The default value of integer 0, just I passed another real value, yeah, and semicolon here, and display this method's result. So sys out, enter sys out, system out print line, system out print line. Sorry, this is not required here. A closed brace is necessary for the class. Semicolon missed here. Sorry. Public class 2. This constructor is not mandatory here. Okay, this is enough, but there is no main method, so it is better to create first the main method of the class. So to run or execute the program, public static void main, string array of characters, most of the time, enter, and here add the closing brace. Yeah, now at the same it executes the code without error. I think this method comes from this CO object referenced by this class. So when I run this, the square of the number should be displayed. Sorry. This out some out print line, the square of the number is plus or concatenate SQ. Just write, execute it. What will happen? See, yeah, the square of 5 is 25. Or to see what is the value of that number, you can concatenate and add here. By the way, you can accept from users just by scanner, using scanner object. Scan is equals to new scanner system.in, and then sys out, please enter the number that you want to square it. Then here let int x is equals x, let int x the variable, and x is equals to what? Scan dot next int this one. What's the problem? Scan a missed here. Yeah, then you can pass this variable x. This class uses the method the method square of method here from CO object or from the class 1, the first package here, this method uses or performs the activity of the square of a number. Also, you can add another method, let public static double. What in my the average of three numbers, AVG of three numbers. It needs three integer values or more than two, int A, int B, int C. Then here open brace, int what averages is equals to a plus b plus c. Then return what? Then return return averages. This is enough. So go to another package of that class, the second class, and call again here. You can also accept these variables just as int what q comma w comma e, and accept this from the using scanner class from the user. K was equals to, just sign this message is out. Please enter the first number. Please enter the first number here. First variable q was equals to scan dot what next int method. To save time, copy it and paste for these three numbers. Change the value of the q here. This one is e, this one is w, and this one is the second number, and this one is the third number. Third number. Then here you can call the method that calculates the average of these three numbers. So to call that, you can use this class 1 object CO. You can use this one. Just double because the average number may be the result of the average number may be in decimal or in fraction. To get this value is it is fractional value, declare the value or the variable with a double. Just double av is equals to co dot the average average, yeah, this one, and past arguments are q, w, and e, this one. But but the average of this result under the first class of the first package is double. So the return value, the averages result is int. So it is mandatory to cast this as double of a plus b plus c over what? Over c. This is the average. I cast to int. Okay. Actually, it is already converted to the result as a double. It is enough. Double average. This is not required. Yeah, and goes to second package, second class, and display the output of the operation. So this out the average of the number, here space here concatenate what the value, the first number is q plus concatenate space concatenate space, what is the other one, q e w plus concatenate space, here also concatenate e concatenate space equal to, you can add here average is equals to concatenate co dot uh, co dot average avg, where is it, co dot, yeah, this one q w, you can remove this, sorry semicolon, or you can pass as it is the AV value, AV, it is enough, because this calling result is returned to here, so you can use it. Later on this, what will happen, run Java application, please enter the number that you want to square it. For example, 7 for the first square, the square of the number is 49. Please enter the first number for the average, 7, the second number 8, the third number 9. So the average of 7, 8, 9 is equals to average 7 plus 8, 15 plus 9, 24 over 3, 8. It is returned via decimal or double data type as 8.0. This is how to call different two classes with different packages. Import the first package, the first packages class, just like this. Import pack1, that means the package of the first class where it found. This is the class. This class contains the method of this to square of a number and average of three numbers. This two method is found on another package here. Sorry, this one. This is already unwanted package, so it is better to remove in order to reduce the confusion of these two packages. So we have two packages, two methods here. We calculate or do some tasks here and passed or called by another class on the another method, like this one. This is all about how to calling different, or how to calling custom classes on another package. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe my video. Thank you again and again.